Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I am so glad you could join me today. I am super excited for today's video. We are going to be taking a look at what I received in January from IPSY. I have both the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus here to take a look. But before we get started, if you love all things beauty and all things makeup, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I post new beauty content every Wednesday and Sunday, and I would love if you would join my family. And you know what time it is. Time for that intro. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into what I received in January from IPSY. I am super excited to take a look here. First thing we're going to get into is the Glam Bag I have right here. So this is what the super cute bag looks like. It is kind of clear and it has like dream written all over it. Super cute. It has like this super nice little like clear blue plastic pull, and the theme for the month is Dream It. New month, new year, the sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. So here is the little card for the month. Super cute. And we're going to jump right in. We're going to start with my choice for the month, and that is the Drama Bomb by Uma Beauty. I think that's how you say it. I was really excited to see that this was an option. I have been wanting to try Uma Beauty. I have seen it on a few like YouTube videos. It looks like pretty decent stuff. So I am excited to try this mascara. Who knows? Maybe this mascara will be so good that it will lead to a full-on full face of Uma Beauty. We'll see in the future, but I am excited to try that out. Next up, we have this super cute little brush. It is like a light lavenderish color with some really pretty little glitter inside the handle. There's a couple little like rhinestones on this part here, and then like a nice soft brush. Most of the brushes I've been getting in IPSY have not really been the greatest in quality. They're, you know, they kind of are like cheapy brushes, which, you know, cheapy brushes can work. They're fine. They can be put to use, no problem. It probably wouldn't be like the first thing that I would pick, but I think this would be nice for like maybe a highlight. It's a nice kind of shape. I could see maybe like blush, but it might be just a little small for blush, but this is cute. I do love the color purple, so this will be a nice little addition to my brush set. And next up we have, I was wondering why like this bag smells very like Halls like very medicinal, and now I'm realizing why. So there is this Moroccan Magic Peppermint Eucalyptus Lip Balm. I love lip balms. I have so many of them that I'm going to do a video on them. I keep saying it, and I am going to actually do one soon, but now I can probably add this to the video. I love the smell. It is very like Halls like. But that actually reminds me of like my grandfather. He used to walk around with like Halls in his pocket, and he'd hand them out like candy to the kids. It smells really nice. It actually isn't as strong on the actual balm than it is like on the packaging. I have lip gloss on, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand here. Yeah, I mean it smells like peppermint and eucalyptus, and I happen to like those smells, so I am looking forward to trying this out and see how it works. It's got all organic ingredients. There's sunflower oil, beeswax, argan oil, coconut oil, peppermint essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil, vitamin E, rosemary blend, calendula blend. So looking forward to trying that out and adding it to my collection. All right, next up we have a matte as heck, it doesn't say heck, but I'm gonna say heck, crayon lipstick in number 15, Stephanie Plum. This is by the brand Sugar, and it is made in Germany. Not heard of this brand, but I do really like this color. I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch real quick. I have to open it. Doesn't really have a scent. Oh, it is super buttery and the color is gorgeous. I really like the color. So that will be really nice. It is super soft and buttery. I really think I'm gonna like that formula. And last but not least in the bag here, we have the cutest little bubble wrap envelope with the cutest little, I think it's an eyeshadow. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is the Ditto Galaxy shade in Mars. And it is so pretty. I mean, like, it looks like a little planet and it has such a pretty shimmer to it. This is so nice. I'm gonna have to swatch this. That's really pretty. It gives like a really nice goldish, bronzy, coppery shade. Really nice. It actually looks really nice with that lipstick. This is super cute. I'm excited to try it out with a look. Super cute. I think this was a really nice little glam bag. There wasn't anything that I wasn't really excited to get. The brush was a little meh, but that's only because I already have tons of brushes. But the fact that it's purple and glittery and sparkly, I like it, so that's a plus in my book. So I think that was a pretty good bag for January. Now we're gonna go into the Glam Bag Plus, which is in this big bad boy here. All right. So here is the bag again. I love that they're all themed the same. So it has this nice light blue, has a dream on it. Now what I'm really looking forward to coming up in February, I signed up for the Glam Bag X. Really looking forward to that one. All right, first things first. Oh, this is actually talking about Glam Bag X, and that the first one they're partnering with Patrick Ta. So that's super exciting. And now, oh, and we have of course the card. It's the same as the Glam Bag regular. And then first things first is a big box of Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. Intensely moisturizing, soothing, and balancing for all skin types. I love sheet masks, so this sounds like it's right up my alley. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them in the box, and you leave it on for 15-20 minutes. It's got Blue Lotus, Seaweed, Restorative Asian Botanicals, delivers antioxidants and minerals to your skin, improves skin texture, inflammation, smooths, leaves skin healthy, beautiful, and radiant. So looking forward to trying these out in my next time I use a sheet mask. All right, next up in here we have an Araceli, I think that's maybe the brand name, Araceli gel pencil eyeliner, 2 units and a sharpener. That's kind of cool. So here is what this looks like. This may end up going into giveaway pile just because I have so many liners and sharpeners. That's a cute little sharpener. Normal sharpener, but it has like a little protective cover on it, which I really like. And then we have 2 pencils. These are really pretty. This is in cinnamon and chocolate. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna keep these because I don't really have a lot of browns, and these are gorgeous. Yeah, chocolate is the one up on top. It's like a deep brown, and then cinnamon is the one on the bottom, and you can tell it has like a gold fleck to it. It has a bit of a shimmer. So I actually may keep these. I'm gonna do a quick swatch of them. Oh, these are gorgeous, and they went on so smooth. That is what those swatches. So that darker brown is the chocolate, and then the other one is cinnamon. These actually would go really nicely in my collection because I don't have anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and keep that. Even though I just said I was gonna put it in my giveaway pile. Sorry. All right, very fun. I like that. Next up, we have a Beauty for Real High Def Defining Volumizing Mascara. That's what this looks like. Now this one I actually for sure will put into giveaway. I have some eyeliner on my finger. I have tons of mascaras, and I also, you guys just saw me pick up the Uma Beauty little one here, so I don't really need another one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in the giveaway pile. Next up, we have something from Wander Beauty. This is the Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. This is what the packaging looks like. I love that color. It's one of my favorite colors. And does it say what shade this is? Dark brown, okay. This may go in the giveaway pile as well because I have tons of brow pencils. I don't really need another one, if I'm being honest. I'm just gonna, it has the spoolie, which I love a spoolie. And yeah, it has like that super micro tip. Yeah, this one is gonna go into giveaway because I have so many, and I have so many with that micro tip. So I think one of you guys will love it if you win it. Which, by the way, my next giveaway is going to be in March. I'm super excited. This year for 2021, I am going to be doing 4 giveaways. I'm going to be doing 4 giveaways at a minimum. There may be more depending on if I hit milestones and things like that. But yeah, so I'm always adding stuff to my giveaway pile for that reason, so that you guys can have the chance to win something fun. All right, and last but not least, we have the Sela Cream Violet Soothing Hand and Body Butter with Lavender and Oatmeal. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. And this packaging is gorgeous. That purple with the gold. Really like that. I'm going to try this out right away. Just take off. Oh my gosh. Those liners, this is like makeup wipe. Like, they're not going anywhere. They're literally not going anywhere. These are really nice liners. I cannot wait to use these. All right, well, then we're just gonna leave that liner there because it's not going off. It does have a protective foil cover, which I really like. It always makes me a little uneasy or nervous when there's no protective cover because you just never know. Has a nice thick consistency. Ooh, it smells really good. Okay. I like want that in a perfume. That smells so good. Okay, well, I really like that. All right, well, this is going on my desk. I like to keep like a couple lip balms and a couple little hand moisturizers on my desk while I'm working. I can just kind of grab whatever I need. So that was it for my January IPSY unboxing. I think it was a pretty good month. There wasn't anything that I was disappointed in. There wasn't anything that was like an absolute do not want. I think they did a really good job. I am super excited for February to get that Glam X box. I think that is going to be awesome. The pictures they show in here is the same like kind of pictures I've been seeing all over like their advertisements. I don't know if this is the box that we're getting. If it is, I am beyond excited because there's a Huda Beauty palette in there and I've really wanted to try Huda Beauty palettes. But they kind of give you like a little like thing of what, you know, the box is going to be like at a $428 value. I'm really excited. The Glam Bag X takes over for the Glam Bag base bag, I think. So instead of like the 12 whatever, I think it's $50. I could be wrong, I don't remember. And it lets you choose 3 of the items. So I'm really, really excited to see how the Glam Bag X goes for February. But other than that, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much when you do so. And until next time, guys, bye!